the 3-in-1 finger rotator, spinner, slider, clicker. It's compact, precise, and quietly powerful, like something engineered in a galaxy where design and function carry equal weight. Previously, I'd made use of more traditional fidget spinners, those basic models you find just about anywhere. I didn't know much about them or the broader world of premium fidget tools. They were simple objects I'd reach for during moments of stress or when I needed to recenter. Nothing too intentional, more of a background habit than a focus choice. My reference point was still that classic spinner, but I was looking for something better, something metal, solid, thoughtfully designed, and that's what drew me to this one. It looked well built, it wasn't expensive, and it had 3 distinct functions. That made me curious. It was the first fidget spinner I'd encountered that combined all 3. When I held it in my hand for the first time, I couldn't help but feel like it was a piece of future tech. It had that tactile weight, a mechanical smoothness, and an aesthetic that just felt cinematic. It's denser than it looks, really well balanced in the hand. That full metal construction gives it a tactile confidence you just don't get from cheaper plastics. Now about that spin, it wasn't quite what I expected at first, until I realized the magic was in the layers. The top and bottom discs are magnetized and can rotate over one another, giving you this gentle, controlled resistance. It's subtle, smooth, and quietly satisfying. There are 12 magnets inside, and you feel them working as you move. If you offset them slightly, the spin changes. There's a light vibration, more of a hum. That soft, resonant feedback adds a whole new layer to the experience. And then there's a third mode, the click. Press the sides together and you get a quiet tactile snap. Minimal, precise, and somewhat satisfying. Spinner, slider, clicker, it's all there. I carried this one on the daily since it arrived. It fits in the pocket, it doesn't draw any attention, and it feels just right in shared spaces. Whether I'm working, traveling, or winding down, it's even become a favorite in my house. I've seen spinners out there that incorporate ball bearings, internal mechanical components, ones that rock, rattle, and roll. If you've got one of these or anything else along those lines, let me know. I'd love to explore it and share the experience here. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay grounded. I'll see you in the next one. This was the 3-in-1 finger, rotator, spinner, slider,